Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Chase with Abdi. Today is January the 19th. Yes, your boy is back now. Finally. Yeah, I've been gone for about almost a month now. There's just a lot of things kept coming up. I've been getting sick and whatnot. But yeah, we're officially back on the grind. As you guys can see, our account is sitting at $40,214. Last time I traded in December, right before Christmas, I believe. Our account was sitting at 40,200 and some change. The only thing we lost couple of dollar due to the subscription data for this month. So besides that, we are sitting up really nice, almost halfway to $100,000 goal. So after for this next a week or so, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be sizing. I'll be sizing down definitely. I did get back to the market this past Tuesday, but since past Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I have not taken a trade. I just been on the market, just watching where the market is at, just trying to get back into my zone, get back into my routine and whatnot. But I have not taken a trade, but hopefully we take a trade this morning. Get things going. Trying to get back into my zone, trying to find my confidence again, and just yeah, all that good stuff. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, once I get back into my zone, we are gonna be sizing up because we are almost halfway. So the bigger our account gets, the bigger our sizes are gonna start getting bigger and bigger. So that way the next half of the marathon is definitely gonna be an easier run. But all in all, it's about just protecting your capital and hopefully making some money. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, I have Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta here on my watch list. As you guys can see here, Tesla on the daily chart, it's been pretty bearish for the past couple weeks now, and as you guys can see, we found a support off around that 215ish key level, and even though we got below that, it closed around that area. But yesterday, as you guys could see, we had some sell-off, got below that 215 and continued to sell off, rejected off that 207. But as you guys can see in pre-market, it looks pretty weak as well. Even though the market is rallying towards the upside, making new all-time highs, Tesla doesn't seem to be in sync with the market. But yeah, so what I'm looking for on this one is, since Tesla is extremely weak, if this weakness continues to the downside, I'm looking for a break of that pre-market low as well as that 207 key level. So just looking for a quick scalp on that. It's not something I really super like, but I like to always keep Tesla here on my watch list. But that's the play here on Tesla. Next we got Apple. There we go. So as you guys can see here on Apple on the daily chart, Apple been pretty bearish as well for the past couple of weeks. Had that huge gap up 2-3 weeks ago, and ever since then been trading here, start picking up some momentum towards the upside, rejected off that 180 once again, and then had a little bit of sell-off, and we are seeing some huge gap here. Yesterday we gapped up from that 140 182ish all the way to closed at 188. So we are slowly picking up some momentum here towards the upside, getting above that 187. So we are in that gray zone where it's starting to fill that gap. So what I'm looking for today is, as we can see here in pre-market as well, they're looking pretty strong, pretty bullish. So if this momentum continues towards the upside, the goal is for this to either fill it today or possibly sometime next week to completely fill that and retest that 192 key level. So that's basically the game plan. I'm looking for a break of that pre-market. I'm looking for a break of that pre-market high 190 key level, and just letting the price action set up and just basically trading the price action towards the upside. But if this fails to continue towards up down, we start seeing some some sell-off, looking for a break at that 187 towards the downside, as well as that yesterday's low, because we still do have that small gap here to the downside as well from yesterday. So we might fill that quickly, fill that, and come back up and continue to the upside here, filling this gap next week or so. But that's the game plan. We'll see how that goes. And next we got Microsoft here. So Microsoft here on the daily chart looks pretty bullish, even though we had some sort of consolidation going here between that 377 as well as that 366. We have finally got above that here last week, and we are trending towards the upside, staying above that 384. We're gonna be what I'm looking for here on this one is basically making a new all-time high. So I'm looking for this break of that 394, which we actually did here in pre-market. We are above that all-time high. So what I'm looking for here is, if this rally, if there's some strength behind it, which I believe there is, because the whole market is pretty bullish. So looking for this pre-market high break towards the upside and just playing the price action and making a new all-time high. So that's basically the game plan. But if we do get some pullback, looking for it to retest that previous 394 all-time high. So hopefully we can hold strong above that and start to rally and break that pre-market high and continue to make new all-time highs. So that's the game plan. And lastly but not least, we got Meta. Pretty much same game plan here on Meta as well. We are pretty bullish here on Meta. We are finally getting above that 373-ish, and we are as we can see pre-market we got above that, and we are trading right below that 380 key level. So what I'm looking for is break of that pre-market high. We do have room up to that 384 key level. That is the all-time high. So hopefully I'm looking for a Meta to break a new all-time high basically, and make a new all-time high. So hopefully we get that strong momentum going towards the upside here on Meta and everything else as well, hopefully. But those are the game plans for Friday. Like I said, I've been on the market since Tuesday, but I have not taken any trade. So hopefully I get some good trades in today, just to see some sort of a green trade and close off this week, so I can start building that confidence and start slowly building that momentum and getting in my zone. I am still sick, but I'm definitely feeling a lot better. So but yeah, we'll see though. With that being said, I'll see you guys once the market opens. It is about 7 o'clock right now. We got about almost 30 minutes or so till the market open. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some tea, relax, kick it, and hopefully we get some good moves in. I'll see you guys once the market opens. Alright, I'm in there 20 contract calls here on Meta, looking for a break at that 380. We do have room up to that 384 break. I'm looking for a break of that all-time high. Possibly we start making some new all-time highs here on Meta, but we shall see now. We shall see. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and take 15 contracts off there. We have secured almost $800 on that trade. Finally, great to see a green trade. Now it's all about just maximizing our trade. So we do have room up to that 384, like I said, looking for a break of that all-time high. So probably gonna hold these last 5 contracts that I do have, because I'm already in the driver's seat. So now it's just all about maximizing my trade. So we're gonna be patient, we're gonna be chill, and basically let this run. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 more contracts off there. We still got 3 more left. We are approaching that 384 key level, so I just want to secure in a little bit more profits. But yeah, looking really good so far, looking really good. Alright, we are getting some aggressive pullback here. If it gets below that that VWAP, I'm definitely taking my last contracts off there. But we shall see. We shall see. Market pulling back as well, so it doesn't look that good. But at the end of the day, I am willing to risk it because we're already secured that $1,000 on this trade. So the last three, I'm just really just letting it ride out. So it is due for a pullback. We did get that pullback, but if it continues to sell off, then that pullback is obviously turning into a reversal. So there is no need for me to hold it longer than that. But we shall see. We shall see. Holding that VWAP pretty strong. So I just want to see this start pushing back up towards the upside. SPY and QQQ, they're kind of looking choppy here so far, so that is not a good sign. But we shall see. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and sell the last three contracts there. Market is pulling back and whatnot, and I've been holding through this choppy session this whole time, and that the time decay is eating on my profit. So just gonna go ahead and sell there. I'm all out. We are up $1,200 on that trade. $1,200. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go ahead and break that all-time high sooner or later throughout today, but I just want to go ahead and get that green on the table, secure that green on the table, and hey man, our first day back in the market with a banger. Let's go, man. So as you guys can see, we are up at $1,266 on that trade. That is $41,480 on our whole account. So what a banger, a great start to come back to our our challenge, and it just feels really good, that getting that confidence in our first day back. I was not even expecting this much, honestly. Like, I was okay with $300-400, but what a beautiful trade, honestly, man. What a beautiful trade. And not only do we make a decent amount of profit, but the execution itself is just amazing. I believe we did an amazing job. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content to come. Go to 100,000. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday. So you guys have a great weekend. Peace.